still have a lace lock, but it's exactly the same as the non-Flyease version up here. The previous generation had a strap, so it did not have any laces on it. And yeah, that was not as nice looking in my opinion. You know, that was a little weird. Those straps weren't as secure as laces, so I guess with laces you get more freedom. But other than that, it's exactly the same as the normal Metcon 8. So again, let's break down the shoe. So you have that X design where here you have your stability. So okay, maybe there is a little bit less, but not much. Now you have that Flyease mechanism for you to get in and out of your shoe easily without having to untie your shoelaces. And then the bottom here, like towards the heel, is the exact same as the normal shoe. Then you have that sticky rubber here, so you have stability. Here you have lockdown, which includes the laces, the lace locks. So you have grip here at the bottom, so you have grip, and then out here in front you have the mobility part, so you have a soft upper that's reinforced with stitches that resemble a grid or like a web, if you will. And that coating, that previous coating is gone. But honestly, I think the material they used to reinforce this part, this one here is stitched. So there's a little bit of extra reinforcement. But out here, this isn't stitched. This is like some kind of a rubber coating. It's like a rubber coating, but in a grid form. So it's not the whole shoe that's been coated now, or at least not the whole top of the toe box. And out here in the side, again, they've done away with that extended rope guard. And instead, you have an extension of all that grid form of that rubber. And I guess this will help protect against rope climbs. Now, to what extent, I'm not sure. This is going to break down faster than the previous shoe, I'm not sure. Again, are they cutting costs? You know, we live in a very different world. Costs are high. Maybe to keep the price down, maybe they had to skimp on some materials. Like, again, no fly wire in the lace hooks or the lace holes. There is no more fly wire. Previous generation had fly wire. When I used the normal shoe, the laces, I found the laces to be really short. So that's the thing, they're really short, and I don't know if that's to keep them more secure with the lace lock to prevent them from catching under your jump rope or when you do jump rope movements and things like that. Overall, I think right now the Flyease version is a lot closer to the normal version, and I'm not sure if it's enough to make purchasing a Flyease tempting. Yeah, that's the word I was looking for. This is I mean, yeah, you know, if you're still lazy to tie your shoelaces on and off whenever you put on the shoe or whenever you take it off, of course, this is still going to be a good proposition. And honestly, I'm one of those people where the Flyease mechanism did pay off a lot. I surely found myself wearing my Flyease Metcons a lot more than my laced up Metcons in the past year since they came out, and they were quite a good purchase for me. So we'll find out with this one. So this is the Metcon Flyease, the Metcon 8 Flyease. And now the difference is right here, it says Flyease right in that mechanism, right there. So yeah, we'll see.